Hey kids, Tdub here with you. Check out the new shades. These are Shady Rays. These are the clear, iced, polarized something or other. I don't know, they have a really long name. But they're cool. They cost about 45 bucks. And I'm not Tdub the corporate shill on this one. I paid for my own. I bought these for me because of a couple of reasons. One, Shady Ray has this cool policy: if you break them, you lose them, they get dropped in a volcano or launched into the solar system somewhere. Could happen. They will send you a new pair absolutely free. You just pay the shipping and handling, which is pretty freaking cool if you ask me. And every time you buy a pair of Shady Ray sunglasses, they give 11 meals to fight hunger. So you're fighting hunger, you get free replacements no matter what happens. If you run over them with your car, or the dog eats them, or you just forget them somewhere, I lost my sunglasses. Shady Ray will hook you up with a new pair. Just pay shipping and handling. Sweet deal. Look them up. They have all sorts of styles. They're pretty sweet. And I love these. So you're fighting hunger, free replacements, and you look like a pal Tdub. Shady Ray. Way to be.